There are 6 steps to the inner bonding process, and the first step is learning to be in touch with your feelings and the willingness to feel your pain and take responsibility for your pain rather than be a victim. And step 2 is learning to move into an intention to learn. In inner bonding, there's only 2 intentions. One is to protect against pain, and the other is to learn about loving yourself and others. So in step 2, you're taken through processes to help you move into an intention to learn. Step 3 is an in-depth dialogue process where you're dialoguing with your feelings about what you may be doing to cause your pain, what's happening external to you with other people, with situations that may be causing your pain. So you're getting a clear understanding of your belief system that may be hurting you, your belief systems, and what other people may be doing or situations. And instead